Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we have some steps on different currencies, but as we have prepared the weekly research on the Great British Pound, today's video we will update our view on cable. So in second video probably we'll take a look at the euro currency, but right now on euro currency is time to wait a bit because market has reached some predefined levels and now stands on retracement. But on the Great British Pound it's a bit different story. So recall what we have talked about in our weekly research. We said that in the long-term perspective, Great British Pound stands under pressure. And sooner or later, the market will form bearish reversal pattern. But pattern could be different. So first pattern could be regardless triple to sell. And this pattern is based on the ABCD action. That's the first scenario that we will talk about and on this week, and what we have talked about in the weekly research. Second scenario will be the same regardless triple 2, but not at AB equals CD, but on the 1618 ABCD. So if this leg will be greater. So if this pattern also will fail, in this case we will turn to the butterfly, where that will become the left wing, and here will be right wing. But this is a bit extended story, so it's not really very interesting right now. What's really interesting is our first scenario, regardless triple to sell pattern based in the AB equals CD. Because if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market actually has completed our suggestion that it should move slightly higher. And indeed, yesterday we saw this spike up. This was due completion of this inner ABC bottom 1618 target. With this spike up, market has completed this target and dropped immediately. So currently what we have in place AB equals CD, this blue line, and regardless triple to sell. So first scenario stands in place. And simultaneously we have completion of the inner ABCD target. So all necessary conditions for a possible starting downward action has been formed. And as we have talked about in our weekly research, we said that will be first opportunity to take short position. So the major task for us is to get the chance how to do this, how to take short position relatively safe, just to not risk with a lot of money, because we do not know what particular 3-drive will work. Sorry, not 3-drive, 222. Either this one or it could be next 222, right? So market could continue move higher, and just not be punished with a big loss. We need to find some solution how to take the short position here. And there we said also in the weekly research that we need to get bearish reversal pattern, and right now we have it. So we'll take a look at the 13-minute chart on Great British Pound. Here we have the clear head and shoulders is forming. This market also has completed a few minutes ago this regardless triple to sell. Unfortunately, guys, I was not in time because just a few minutes ago the market was standing here and it just was fast spike up. This market has completed 1618 extension of this minor ABC bottom. Here we have clear regardless triple to sell on the 30-minute chart, on the 15-minute chart, so even could see even better what's going on. And that gives us the head and shoulders pattern that you could base your trade on. So with the placing stop slightly above this high, it's taking the short, it's downward continuation. So minimum target will be retesting of this trend line. That's approximately with the same speed of the dropping. This will be 32.77, 32.80 target. So not bad, approximately 50 pips. But this is minimal target, guys. If market will stop here and turning up again, this will tell you that probably we should be ready for a greater 222. So this will tell you that market is ready for upward continuation. But if this trend line is our former triangle, remember, this is our former triangle. So when market will return right back down, this will be a very important sign that that could become the real reversal, and market really could continue move down. So at least target will be deeper, so market will continue move down. That's what you could watch for on Great British Pound today. That's the first setup that we will follow. Just keep an eye on this head and shoulders. If you would like to trade it, you could try. Minimum target, as I said, 32.77, 32.80. That will be probably, guys, minimum target you could even estimate with these head and shoulders. So you calculate it to the downside. Right, 132.80. So this is just AB equals CD. Pattern for taking the short has been formed. That's your choice, whether you would like to take the part in this or not. After that, after this scenario will be completed, probably within the 1, 2, maybe maximum 3 sessions, we will return back to this discussion and see what will happen. So as I said, if market will stop here and start move up, then we will focus on the next levels, approximately 135.40 area. If this drop will be, in this case, we should be ready for a deep reaction inside of this triangle, at least to the lower border of this triangle. So will be approximately somewhere around 131, somewhere in this area. But currently, guys, right now is more important is to this moment, head and shoulders with regard to triple to sell. So let's see how situation will develop here on the Great British Pound.